In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentations with Gamma.App. This is a fantastic tool that makes it incredibly easy to generate attractive and professional-looking slides in just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Gamma account. Head over to your dashboard where all the action begins. This is your main control center, acting like the cockpit of your presentation journey. Once you're there, look for the Create New or New with AI button. Clicking on this will open up the possibilities for creating your brand new presentation. Next up is decision time, choosing how you would like to start your presentation. Gamma offers you a set of options to tailor your experience. Whether you prefer generating content from scratch, pasting pre-written text, or importing from another source, the choice is yours to make. Once you've decided on the mode, the next step is to click on Presentation. This is where the magic of AI kicks in to assist you. Gamma will generate an initial outline for your presentation. Don't worry if it's not perfect right off the bat. You have the ability to refine and tweak this outline to better fit your vision. Aesthetics are just as important as content, and Gamma makes sure your slides will look professionally designed. You have the option to choose a visual theme, or if you're feeling adventurous, use the Shuffle Theme option to apply a variety of styles until something clicks. After settling on a theme, hit the Generate Outline button. This step takes the refined outline and starts transforming it into a full presentation. Once you've completed this, the next action is to simply click Generate. This is where Gamma really goes to work, compiling all your inputs and preferences into a cohesive set of slides. Gamma generates slides complete with content, layouts, and relevant images, all based on your initial inputs and chosen theme. At this juncture, take a moment to appreciate the groundwork that's been laid out for you. However, if customization is something you thrive on, you have plenty of freedom to edit and tailor your presentation further. Fine-tune the text, adjust layouts, or swap out visuals to better suit your objectives and personal style. By following these steps, you've gone from a blank slate to a polished presentation ready to capture your audience's attention. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be creating professional presentations in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting with Gamma.App.